ग्रेटनेस टू ऑल। स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बधाई। भारत क्या है? भारत का स्वरूप क्या है? भारत का शरीर क्या है? विष्णु पुराण का यह श्लोक हमें बताता है, उत्तरम यत् सामुद्रस्य हिमाद्रस्य व दक्षिणम वर्षम तद भारतम नमः भारती यत्र संतनम। अर्थात जो भूमि समुद्र के उत्तर और हिमालय के दक्षिण में है, उस भूमि को हम भारत कहते हैं। इस भूमि के संतान को हम भारतीय कहते हैं। British invaded India a long time ago. Before the invasion of British, India was a rich country with a diverse culture, and people from many religion and caste lived together with peace and prosperity. Many great kings were born in this land and advanced their motherland to great heights. Some of these kings have etched their names in history forever. Some of these kings are Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka the Great, Akbar the Great, and last but not the least, Maharana Pratap. These great kings were born in great dynasties. These dynasties were prevalent in India at that time. These dynasties are Ikshvaku dynasty, Maurya dynasty, and the Gupta dynasty. Also, how can we forget that India home one of the world's oldest civilizations, such as the Harappan civilization, the Indus Valley civilization, the Mauryan civilization, and the Gupta civilization. India at that time was known as the Golden Bird because it was very rich in terms of minerals and gemstones. India also traded with foreign countries with rich spices. India at that time was called by China the Tianzi, also known as the Heavenly Master. That shows that the China respected India because India was a land of Buddha. British invaded India around 1757. After the invasion of British, India's infrastructure and empire broke down. If British partitioned India during the independence time in the year of 1947, if India was not partitioned, India would be a rich country and we would have the following advantages. First, India would have a lot more GDP than USA and would be a world superpower. Also, many innocent lives would have been saved of the soldiers and the people living near the borders. And yet, how can we forget that India would have friendly relations with many other countries such as Pakistan, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, and India would not have to spend so much money on its military divisions because no one would attack it. Also, British ended monarchy in India. As we all know, every coin has two sides. So, British Raj do have disadvantages, but also have some advantages. Those advantages of British Raj are that the British Raj built extensive and big railway lines in India that are still used today to connect the far-flung areas of the country. These railway lines were built to connect the far-flung areas people so that they could travel from one place to another place easily. Also, British introduced us the importance of education. This education has now been an important part of our history and country. So, many freedom fighters sacrificed their blood, soul, and body just for their motherland so that we could get freedom. Now, after independence, India has set footprints in almost all fields. India has recently launched the Chandrayaan 3, which has gone on to moon. Also, we have launched the Atmanirbhar Bharat, in which we manufacture most of the things in India. It can be a super heavy and advanced rocket to a small and plastic-made pen. So, नहीं सुपच्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगः, अर्थात सिर्फ इच्छा करने से ही सपने पूरे नहीं होते, सपनों के लिए मेहनत भी करना पड़ता है. Yes, this Sanskrit श्लोक says correct. We must work hard to achieve our dreams. So, we, the people of India, must pledge to bring India back like the ancient India, clean, advancing,